Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin with the printer powered and the display awake. This ensures menu options appear. Once done, press the menu button to open system settings, using the arrow keys to navigate. Make sure no print job is running so changes save cleanly. You're doing this now to reach the general or eco settings quickly. These control automatic sleep. Proceed immediately to the settings list and prepare to edit power-related options so the unit will stop entering sleep automatically. Now locate the sleep or eco settings in the menu. It's usually under General Setup or an Eco/Timer submenu. Use the arrows to highlight sleep time or auto off. Press OK, then set the value to off for a longer interval if you prefer delayed sleep. Confirm each choice with OK so the printer stores the change. You're changing how long an activity triggers sleep. This prevents the device from entering low power mode prematurely while preserving your preferred energy behavior. Finish by exiting the menu and allowing the printer a moment to save the configuration. If it seems unchanged, power cycle the unit to enforce the new setting. Next, print a quick test page and observe whether the device remains responsive after a minute to confirm success. If it still goes to sleep, try unplugging for 30 seconds, then plug back in. Or, if needed, restore factory defaults and repeat the setting. This often clears stuck firmware settings that override sleep options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.